All right, so here we are in Unity 5, and I'm going to be talking about a little personal project I started working on where I wanted to get a little bit more friendly with animation blending. So what I did is I made this little tool and I just started coding. So the first thing you do is you see this little area here where you've got a rig, where you go to your character after you've attached the animation component, and then you drag the rig in. And then once you drag the rig in, this group right here will be populated. It's an animation group which I've created, and it's got a list of things that will be animated. Now this one's not supposed to be used for animations. This is just supposed to be used to define the location of the rig at its start position. So as you can see, I've got the rig, I've got the left leg, and I've got all the other components underneath the rig. So what I want to do is I want to create an animation now using my component. So what I'll do is I'll just make a new animation group. I'll call it look left. And if you notice here, we don't even need to worry about this right now. If you notice here, we've got these two buttons. One is populate and one is set to me. So what I like to do is I like to go over here and I like to click on the actual component and then rotate it here. So I want to make the character look left. Oh, that's right. So I rotate the character to look left, and then I click populate. And then this list right here is populated. It's got the head, it's got the new data, and it's got everything you changed over here in the inspector has been changed. So if I can go back over here and click set to me, it'll go back to the base position, it'll go back to the left position. So it provides a really nice way for you to switch between preset animations you have in this already kind of user-friendly interface. So I can show you by, what's the current bug right here? I just have to type this in real quick. By going in game and setting the base animation here, and if I hit play, and then I go into my debug animation name and I type look left, I can click do debug animation and the character will look left. It's just a simple smooth step for now. So to show off a little further of what I did here is I can duplicate this and I can change this look left to look right. And I'll go back to the head and I'll change the rotation and I'll have her look right. And then I'll click populate. And then you can see I click set to me, she'll be looking left, set to me, she'll be looking right. And then I can go here into my animation sequences array and create a new one with two sets in a sequence. I'll make it looping. I'll call it shake head. And then what I'll do is I'll say look left and then look right. And then we'll go up here to the debug animation name and we'll click shake head. And then we'll set her to be looking straight. And then we'll go into the play mode in the Unity editor and we'll click do debug animation. And as you can see, she looks left and right and left forever and ever and ever. Now, obviously, it's not cool that her hair is going through her body. So a quick way to fix that is to go over here, set to look left. All right, so the hair is in the body. Let me grab the hair. Let me rotate the hair so it's no longer in the body. Populate. Oh, that was look right. Okay, populate look left. Set to me for look right. And now we got to change her so she's looking right again because I accidentally populated look right. So she's looking right now and her hair is all over the place. So we'll go over here and we'll go back over here and we'll give her a little bit of a sway for her hair when she looks to the right. And then we'll click populate if I can find my mouse. And then we'll set her back to the base position. And then we'll click play. And we'll have her do the animation. And so this is a little tool I started working on, and I got really excited about making it user-friendly. It made me easier to test my own things, and I got really excited about working with animations and understanding rotations and getting better at making it more efficient. So thanks for watching.